Ever wonder how to achieve your fitness goals without expensive equipment? Ever heard of calisthenics? Welcome to the world of calisthenics, a unique form of exercise where your body becomes your gym. Imagine an exercise regimen that's as versatile as it is practical, not bound by the confines of a fitness center or the of equipment. Calisthenics is all about body weight movements, from simple exercises like push-ups and pull-ups to more complex maneuvers like handstands and muscle-ups. Now, might be wondering about the weights. Well, here's a little secret. The only weight you'll be lifting is your own. In the world of calisthenics, you're not just the athlete, you're also the dumbbell. Quite a humorous twist, isn't it? This form of training is accessible, versatile and cost-effective, making it a choice for both beginners and seasoned fitness enthusiasts. You may ask, why choose calisthenics over traditional gym workouts? Here's why. Calisthenics, my friends, is not just another fitness fad. It's a time-tested, full-body workout that has been practiced for centuries and for good reasons. Firstly, calisthenics improves strength. And we're not just talking about the ability to lift heavy objects. Calisthenics strengthens your entire body, making you more resilient and less prone to injuries. So whether you're lifting a heavy suitcase or reaching for that top shelf, you'll find daily tasks becoming a breeze. Next, flexibility. If you've ever felt like a wooden board trying to touch your toes, calisthenics is the answer. It stretches and strengthens your muscles simultaneously, making you more flexible. You'll be bending, twisting and reaching with ease in no time. Balance and coordination are another area where calisthenics shines. By using your own body weight, calisthenics forces you to engage multiple muscle groups at once. This not only improves your balance, but also enhances your coordination. So, say goodbye to those clumsy moments. Let's talk about muscle. Calisthenics promotes lean muscle growth. No, you won't look like a bodybuilder overnight, but you'll develop a strong, toned physique that's not just for show, but also functional. And let's not forget about cardiovascular health. With high-intensity explosive movements, calisthenics is a fantastic way to get your heart pumping. It enhances your heart's efficiency, reduces the risk of heart disease, and improves overall stamina. Now, you might be thinking, this all sounds great, but when will I ever need to use these skills? Well, let's consider a hypothetical scenario. The zombie apocalypse has just begun. Who do you think is going to survive longer? The guy who can bench press 200 pounds but can't run a mile, or the guy who's been doing calisthenics, has the strength, speed, flexibility, and endurance to outrun and outmaneuver those zombies? So, are you ready to get in the best shape of your life and prepare for any zombie outbreaks? Start your calisthenics journey today. Ready to get started with your calisthenics journey? Here's what you need to know. First things first, a good warm-up is non-negotiable. Incorporate dynamic movements like jumping jacks, high knees, and arm circles to get your heart pumping and muscles limber. Warm-ups are not just a pre-workout ritual, they're a ticket to injury-free workouts. So make sure you're not skipping this crucial step. Now let's discuss the holy trinity of calisthenics: push-ups, squats, and pull-ups. Starting with push-ups, they are the bread and butter of bodyweight training. They work your chest, shoulders, triceps, and core. Start with your hands shoulder width apart. Keep your body straight and lower yourself until your chest almost touches the floor. If standard push-ups are too challenging, start with knee push-ups and gradually progress. Next up, squats. They're the king of lower body exercises. Stand tall, push your hips back, bend your knees, and lower your body as far as you can. Keep your chest up and your knees over your toes. Squats can be tricky, but once you get the hang of it, you'll be doing them in your sleep. Finally, pull-ups. They're tough, but they're worth it. They target your back, arms, and shoulders. Find a bar, grip it shoulder width apart, and pull yourself up until your chin is over the bar. If pull-ups are too challenging, start with assisted pull-ups or negative pull-ups. Remember, proper form is more important than the number of repetitions. It's not a race. The only competition you have is with yourself from yesterday. Also, let's not forget the beauty of calisthenics. The only gym membership you'll need is a membership to Planet Earth. Who needs fancy equipment when you've got gravity and your own body weight? Remember, the key to progress in calisthenics, like any fitness journey, is consistency and perseverance. So lace up those trainers, set your goals, and let's get moving. You've got this. So, are you ready to take the leap and transform your fitness routine? Let's take a moment to appreciate the beauty of calisthenics. It's an exercise regimen that doesn't require an expensive gym membership or fancy equipment. All you need is your own body weight and the determination to improve your strength, flexibility and overall health. Remember, the best gym you can ever step into is the one you carry with you everywhere, your own body. Now, let's be clear, isn't a magic pill. It's a journey that requires commitment, consistency and patience. It's about listening to your body, understanding your limits and pushing those boundaries bit by bit. You won't wake up one morning with the strength of a Greek god after a single workout. But you will notice changes over time. Your muscles will become stronger, your endurance will improve, and your confidence will soar. The beauty of this journey is that it's your own. You set the pace. You decide the intensity. You choose the exercises that suit you best. And remember, it's not about how fast you can reach your goal, but how much you enjoy the journey. In the world of calisthenics, slow and steady often wins the race. And speaking of races, let's end with a little humor. You know, they say calisthenics is the best way to achieve superhero strength. It's a lot cheaper than getting bitten by a radioactive spider or finding some alien technology. And let's face it, those methods are a little unreliable, not to mention hard to come by. But seriously, with calisthenics, you can build the strength and resilience of a superhero right in your own living room. So let's get started. Lace up your workout shoes, find a comfortable spot, warm up those muscles, and dive into the exciting world of calisthenics. Remember, every journey begins with a single step, or in this case, a single push-up, pull-up, or squat. So what are you waiting for? Your calisthenics journey awaits. And before you rush off start, don't forget to subscribe for more inspiring fitness videos.